Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, presenting to you today with this ever so practical and sporty Volkswagen Arteon shooting brake, available here in the Performance R trim with a 2-litre TSI 320 PS engine as well as 4MOTION all-wheel drive, finished here in Moonstone grey colour. This model is not only practical but it's got plenty of power straight off the traffic lights. Key equipment highlights here will include the benefit of LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side you'll find these 19-inch Adelaide black diamond turned alloy wheels with blue brake calipers. In the rear, signature-shaped LED taillights will also offer your Arteon distinctive look for the evening, with prominent R-line badging on the sides and even optionally upgraded panoramic sunroof with tilt and sliding option. For easy access, keyless entry and start is also complemented by power-operated liftgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area, and that's before you fold it down the rear seats. Inside the cab, full Vienna leather upholstery with blue stitching will unlock seating for 3 with 2 ice fixture anchor points and ambient lighting. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts will continue that sporty look, along with front bucket sport seats with integrated headrest as well as electric memory functionality. The driver will enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with upgraded paddle shift, operating the digital cockpit up ahead. Dynamic roadside recognition camera, a number of active safety systems as well as sat-nav can all be projected directly ahead of you. Choose from 3 customizable screens to find your favorite one, and even operate all your music and Bluetooth needs as well, along with a heated steering wheel which will certainly come in handy during the cold winter months. In the front, 8-inch Discover navigation system will also pack FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs, whilst pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier. Sat-nav can be brought back to the center screen if you prefer, but you will always have usability of the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Various settings will allow for further customization with bespoke tire pressure monitoring system, and the active systems I mentioned earlier can also be operated and displayed via the center screen. Adjustable speaker sound systems on offer with selectable drive modes featuring DCC dynamic chassis control. To help you park, optionally upgraded rear view camera will complement front and rear sensors at all times. Whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate can be operated from the screen or the lower buttons down, featuring winter pack heated front seats. Overhead you also find easy controls to operate the electric sunshine blind and sunroof. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Arteon Shooting Brake R that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, contact our friendly sales team today.